Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Ringke Fusion clear case for your Z Fold 6. I need to give a shout out to Ringke for sending this case out to me for a review. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Ringke makes some of the best cases out there for many different devices, so I don't think this will be any different. Like we normally do my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does it show off your beauty? Do you get camera protection? What about, lay down protection? Does everything line up? Does it air bulk? Can you wireless charge? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Nice packaging. Their slogan is live a better day. So go out there, y'all, and live a better day. Change someone's life. Make someone else happy. It feels really good when you do that. So live a better day. Now, this is a one-piece case. Okay, something different from Ringke. Bam. And I love the little tabs to pull the little plastic off. So this is going to show off the beauty of your phone. And also attract fingerprints at the same time. And that plastic is on there, y'all. You have a little adhesive strip here too. Take all that off. Then you just want to pop this bad boy in there. Pop this bad boy in there. I always like to press it on to make sure that it fits really good. Let me do that too. All right, so it's on there. I love how the power button is. It's easy to get to. The vine rockers are covered up, but they are easy to press. Nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. You don't get hinge protection though. No hinge protection. You do get camera protection there. You definitely get some camera protection. Also, lip action all the way around. So if you place down your beautiful display, you don't have to worry about scratching it up. Man. What y'all feel about this one? I mean, the one-piece case is holding up there. You don't get the hinge protection, but it holds it in there. It's not easy to get off. Man, people are making improvements. These case companies are making improvements every year with these Fold 6 cases. So it's great to see that too. Shows off the beauty of your phone. It will attract some fingerprints though, no matter what, unless you don't have oily skin. But everybody I know has some oily skin, at least. Yeah. So it does show off the beauty of your phone. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem. You can wireless charge without any issues. Man. And this is how it looks when it's open. So I can't really find any complaints about this case. So Ringke has, with the Fusion, has a solid case here. I am liking everything about it. Checks off a lot of boxes again. That's my new thing at the end of the video. Volume, the power button and vine rocker is easy to use. You get lip protection. You get camera protection there. Everything lines up like you would hope and want. Overall, the case fit really good. And then also, it doesn't add bulk to it. You can wireless charge. It keeps you from drop protection, as you've seen there. So overall, it does a great job as a case for your Z Fold 6. So if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.